Yo, what's up? This is your tattoo artist and cell phone repair. You know what I'm saying? So we have here our Samsung Galaxy. I will not say the exact model, but this phone has been water damaged, so the LCD is completely not working, but it's been vibrating, if you know what I'm saying. But if I charge it, it's not vibrating. But if I on it, it's vibrating. So it means that this motherboard is alive, but we don't know if this phone is charging. So we have to use, or we have to test it if it is charging or not. But for now, I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna take the parts and I will clean it and I will put it back them together. So enjoy. If you're new here, please like my content.